Hello everyone, it's me Khurram Fida here for you. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can make a face mask at your home if you are having the oily skin. So guys, we are going to start our video, and first of all, I wanna let you know I'm going to divide this video in a three portion. The first part, it will be related to the benefits of the ingredients, where I will let you know what ingredients benefits you would have if you are going to use this mask. And our second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and our last and third part, it would be our procedure, where I will let you know how to make this mask at home and how to apply on your skin. So guys, now we are going to start our video, and here I will let you know about the benefits of the ingredients. Baking soda is an excellent ingredient for oily and the clogged skin. It helps maintain the pH level of your skin and thus prevent breakout. Lemon works as an antibacterial agent, preventing skin trouble and also control the oil secretion. Lemon also works as a lightening agent to light skin tone. Do not use baking soda more than once a week, as it can turn your skin dry. Also, if you have a sensitive skin, do a patch test before applying it on your face. These were some benefits of the ingredients what I have shared with you. Now we are going to our second part of the video, where I will share with you the ingredients and the quantity. So guys, for this mask we have needed only two ingredients. Number one, we have needed the baking soda, and number two, we have needed the lemon juice. So guys, now I'm going to let you know about the quantity. For our first ingredients, baking soda, we have needed 2 tablespoons, and for our second ingredients, lemon juice, we have needed 1 tablespoon. So these were the ingredients and the quantity. Now we are going to our third part of the video, where I will share with you the complete procedure, how to make it and how to apply. This is two-step method, and step 1 is mixing the baking soda and lemon juice in a bowl. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do in step 1. Number 1, take 2 tablespoons of the baking soda in a bowl. Number 2, add 1 tablespoon of the fresh lemon juice to it. Number 3, mix the two well. The baking soda will start to bubble up, which is normal. So guys, that was our step 1. Now I'm going to our step 2, and step 2 is applying the baking soda lemon face pack. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what we have to do for this step 2. Number 1, apply the face mask avoiding the eye area. Number 2, rub the mask in slow circular motion around the oily T-zone. Number 3, let it sit not more than 15 minutes, rinse it off with the cool water. Number 4, apply a non-comedogenic moisturizer. That was a simple and the easy procedure to make this mask at home if you want to get rid of this oiliness from the skin. Here there was one important thing: don't use this mask more than one time in a week. So guys, that was the video for today. Next time I will come with some other useful solution. Till that time, take care.